The Paysend app is a secure and easy-to-use money transfer platform that allows you to send funds internationally. Here's how to use the Paysend app. Download and install. Download the Paysend app from your device's app store. Create an account. Open the Paysend app and sign in by entering your full name, email address, phone number. Create a secure password. Verify your account through email or SMS. Add payment method. Link a payment method such as a debit or credit card to your Paysend account. This is necessary for funding your transfers. Choose transfer type. After setting up your account, select the type of transfer you want. International transfer. Send funds to another country. Domestic transfer. Send funds within the same country. Enter transfer details. Provide details such as recipient's name, recipient's bank account or card details, transfer amount, purpose of the transfer. Optionally, you can add a message for the recipient. Review and confirm. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Select the currency, payment method, and any additional options if available. Send money. Confirm the transaction, and Paysend will process the transfer instantly in most cases. Track your transfer. You can monitor the status of your transfer through the app and receive updates via email or notifications.